Here we go. We're at 1 Jericho Plaza. These ThyssenKrups. There's 4. Oh my god, there's 5. I highly doubt we'll be able to do all 5 here. These are nice though. Dough rimples. That's a first. That arrow. No, I think these are hydro. Ooh. It's different. Oh, these are very different. Judging by this panel, this might have not used to be Dover. I don't think I'm supposed to be down here. Alright, here we go. Let's see if that has a motor. Alright. I'm not really impressed, but these might have been Burlington. Send you off. See which one we get next. That one just left. There might be one that's a service car here. This is a nice atrium though. Don't want to go too crazy here because... Oh, we got this one. Oh my. This one's got center opening. Yeah, I don't think these were Dover. These are probably originally Burlington. Oh, somebody called it. Nope, never mind. See, this one doesn't serve the basement. Alright. These are nice elevators, actually. That's where a mirror used to be, I guess. You'll never know the inspection. Alright, we're gonna send you off. And we're gonna get another one. You going down, okay.
Going down.
Going down. Oh, that was the one we already got anyway. Just gotta wait a second. This is nice. Alright, let's see. We have one on L. Let's see which one we get next. So we rode that one and that one. We have these 2 outermost cars on the side, and then we have this one. Ooh, one has a bell. Oh, okay, we got this one. These are interesting elevators. It's, I'm calling it, these probably used to be Burlington. I never checked any of these for phones, and they got non-ADA phones. These run well, I will say. Alright. Yeah, that's interesting. I've never seen an Impulse with the dot matrix display. Alright, we're gonna send you off now. And we're gonna get another one. One's on 3. We're gonna get this one. Hopefully. Nope, we got this one. The indicator's burnt on this one, so we gotta ride these two that's over here. Send you. There we go. We got this one. This is the other one that serves the lower level. Oh, it's already lit. Key switch is banged on this one. Oh, these are relay controlled. Oh, this one has a very, very long chime. Yeah, the key switch is broken on this one. Oh, I like that bell. Oh, somebody called it. I guess since somebody called it, okay, I think I have an idea to get the other one. Unfortunately, there is no indicator. Okay, we're gonna have to see. Nope, it's not gonna be that stupid. Let's see which one we'll get. Nope, you came here. All right, let's see if that one's on the basement. No, it's on 1. We need this one. This is the last one we need to get. And then we'll be on all 5. Ah, you came back? Okay, I think I have an idea of how we could find this one. It might be on 2. It might be broken. We'll try it. And then you can go back up to 3. Now, I guess these are atoms. Let's see which one comes next. Hopefully it's this one. This is the one we have to ride. I don't know if there's a service. Nope, that one came back. I don't think there's a service here. You be gone. I think it's dead. You know what? The indicator was burnt out in the first. I think it's dead. All right. Well, I guess we'll just do 4 out of the 5. And I wasted 9 minutes of my phone for this. Interesting for them to be hydro. Let's see. It's not here. I'll say that. Yeah, it's broken. All right, well, there it goes. And that will be it.